rewards fund. So gusto po nating ma-confirm lang, dahil po nalaman natin meron talagang reward system at merong pinanggagalingan yung pondo para dun sa reward system.
Sir, sandali. Medyo papahingin mo lang ako ng...
1 minute suspension.
Kaya tinawag yan, sir, ng intelligence pati confidential. Kaya huwag kang magtanong kung anong confidential ginawa ko. Confidential nga eh. I am protecting the interest of the Republic when I dispense confidential funds to the military and the police. Do not make me account for something which I cannot do legally. That is not allowed by law. I am prohibited from doing it.